Welcome back to Creative Aquaries. Today we are taking a deep dive into hobbies that are fulfilling and potentially profitable. When we did our research, we looked into hobbies that anyone could do. It doesn't matter if you're male or female, young or old. Whether you are a seasoned artist or a curious beginner, these 5 hobbies will spark your imagination and keep boredom at bay. These hobbies are not in any particular order, so let's get started. First up, we have woodworking. The stereotypical woodworker is not a male anymore. Some of the most incredible woodworkers today are both male and female. So grab your tools, sandpaper, and a piece of wood. Let's turn it into something functional and beautiful. Number 2 is pottery. As with woodworking, pottery lets anyone create something that is functional and beautiful. Get your hands dirty and shape clay into cups, bowls, and even sculptures. The creative nature of making pottery could be a great stress reliever after a hard week of work. Who knew mud could be so beautiful? Number 3 is painting. Painting allows you to express yourself through visual art. Experiment with watercolors, acrylics, or pencils on a canvas. Remember, everyone sees art differently. You may feel free to make mistakes because sometimes your mistakes could be the most beautiful pieces of art and the most profitable. Number 4, jewelry making. Jewelry making is a combination of creativity and precision. You can guarantee that your pieces will be unique because you made them. You can wear the jewelry or you can give it to a friend as a gift. Hey foodies, number 5 is just for you, cooking. The heart of every home is the kitchen. Have you ever noticed how people are always gathered around food? Diving into new recipes and ingredients could allow anyone to explore foods from different countries around the world, like Korea, China, or India. Cooking brings people together. Cooks can use food to express their love for their friends and their family. Whether you are a seasoned cook or a newbie, all you have to do is grab a spatula and start creating dishes. All of these hobbies listed could be used as a profitable side hustle to make some extra cash. You could sell your products on platforms like Etsy or Shopify. You can sell them at flea markets, or you can make your own online store. If you decide to do cooking as your hobby, you can sell your plates of food at markets and enter your dishes in cooking competitions. Which hobbies are you going to try? Let us know in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our latest videos. Until next time, stay inspired.